Wong was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people. Finally. And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought. With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine. It was dumb luck. But still, that felt pretty great. Sorry for busting in on you like that, but thanks for the shortcut. See ya.
There she is. Harley Quinn.
Yeah?
I've waited a long time for this.
You have? Oh, I haven't had breakfast yet. What did I do to you?
Are you serious? Look at my face. Look at my face!
That wasn't me.
But you dared him to do it.
Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know. That means there's no one here to stop me.
All right.
You're gonna die, Quinn.
Oh, hey. We're gonna shoot an arrow now. Crap. Him too? Harlan?
Fuck, Montoya. You smell like a dead rat's asshole.
Not today, Simpson.
Hey, it's Detective Montoya. Respect your elders. I mean, you're elderly.
You're only a few years younger than me, and you're still behind that desk. You want to go there?
Come on, get into your pockets. All of it.
Sandra King. Back already? Thought by now you'd figure out how not to get caught. What, you'll come back? You all right? You smell like shit. Yo, Simpson! Any clean clothes and lost and found?
These are serious accusations, Miss Montoya.
The Sound Assembly name is on half the museums and schools in Gotham.
And that makes him immune to the law? Captain.
Montoya's day is going almost as badly as mine. Remember the guy who stole her promotion? That's him.
He had 4 people killed alone last night.
If Roman Sionis is such a mastermind, how did he get fired from his own fucking company?
The Janus Corporation is his father's company, thank you. And by the way, they pay him off.
Where does the DA's office stand on all this?
To make matters worse, the assistant DA, that's her ex.
The evidence that Sionis is linked to these murders.
There's a shipment coming in.
Drugs?
A diamond.
Diamond. Wow, Montoya. Should we call the feds for backup?
Listen, I had a source at the club. His driver. He's